Your body is a remarkably efficient engine, but even engines overheat, and that's heat stress. Today, we'll explore the science behind heat stress, understanding how it impacts your body and what you can do to stay safe. It's more than just feeling hot, it's a serious physiological challenge. Our bodies maintain a core temperature of around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit through a delicate balance. When external temperatures rise, our bodies kick into high gear, primarily through sweating. Evaporation of sweat cools us down, but this process relies on humidity. The drier the air, the more effective it is. Think about how much cooler it feels in a desert breeze compared to a humid summer day. Heat stress isn't just about temperature, it's about heat gain versus heat loss. Factors like intense physical activity, wearing heavy clothing, or even certain medications can hinder your body's ability to shed heat. This imbalance leads to a cascade of effects, from increased heart rate and rapid breathing to potential organ damage. Surprisingly, acclimatization plays a huge role. Repeated exposure to heat over days or weeks allows your body to become more efficient at sweating and regulating temperature. Interestingly, this adaptation can diminish if you stop experiencing heat regularly, meaning you can lose your heat tolerance. We'll delve into preventative measures next, but first, heat exhaustion and heat stroke are the most severe consequences. Heat exhaustion presents with symptoms like dizziness, nausea, and headache, while heat stroke is a medical emergency characterized by confusion, seizures, and even loss of consciousness. Prompt cooling and medical attention are crucial in these situations. So, what can you do? Hydration is key, alongside seeking shade, wearing light-colored clothing, and scheduling strenuous activities for cooler parts of the day. Understanding your individual risk factors, like age and underlying health conditions, is also vital. Ultimately, heat stress is a complex interplay of environmental factors and your body's physiological response. By understanding the science, you can proactively protect yourself and others from its potentially dangerous effects. If you found this video informative, give it a like, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more science-backed insights.